Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm gonna present you MIKU client. It's a Rocket League mod that is currently in beta testing. It has a lot of really cool features, which some are disabled for beta testing. So I can't show them here, but you can just watch all their showcases to see those. Sorry in advance if I mess up words or if my accent isn't really good, I'm not native. But anyways, enjoy the showcase. So after loading the mod, you're gonna be on the home page where there's the credits and some informations about the mod, like the FPS and the keybind to open the menu and close it. It's F6. So now for the garage tab, as you can see, there's a drop-down menu where you can select what product you want to spawn. There's a search filter if you need it. So I'm gonna spawn a Fennec with some random paint, some random certification, some random quality. As you can see, it spawns well. You can equip it, and it actually equips it. You can spawn how much you want. And as you can see, it also shows in the garage. So you might have seen it already, but the button unlock all exists. You can just spawn every item in the game. You can just skip the animation, because there's like 10k items in the game. And yeah, it shows in your garage. We can also spawn credits, all kind of credits, and how much you want. It's obviously not usable in the stores and shit, but those features are in the making. The last thing in this tab is the preset builder, but as you can see, it's not out yet. RFS is losing her mind over this, so wish her good luck. So anyways, for the titles tab, you also have a drop down where you can browse all the titles and search one if you want, and obviously spawn them and then equip them, as you can see here. You can also put custom titles if you want. You just have to check the thing on the bottom. You can change the color or even make it RGB if you want. I'm just acoustic and it's not gonna work because I forgot to uncheck the use spawn titles, so it's gonna override my fucking RGB title because I'm acoustic. But anyways, you can also spawn all the titles, as you can see, and equip them. You can also add the custom icons from the tournament shit. So you just have to put like curly braces, then the name of the rank, and it's gonna show, as you can see here. You can even stack them if you want. I don't know why you would do that, but yeah. So in the colors tab, what the fuck is going on? Sorry, but yeah, you can change the size and the radius of your wheels. Be careful because the sliders are, like, the lesser the value, the higher the size and the radius, you know. You can even reset if you want. Yeah, you can change the color of your wheels. You can even apply RGB, as you can see here. Changes slowly but surely. You can even change the speed in the settings if you want, if you think it's too slow. And don't forget, the slider is the same as the radius and size. The lesser the value, the faster it goes. You can also apply the RGB to the rim, the wheel rim, as you can see here. It's like not really noticeable, but you can kind of see it. And it actually synchronizes with the RGB of everything else, so it looks cool. You can also apply RGB to your rim. It doesn't work because right now I have already titanium white Fennec, so I just have to change my car. Yeah, you can see it works. Same for the headlights. You can also put RGB, but it doesn't work on the Fennec for some reason. You have to put like an octane for it to work. You can see it works with the octane. I don't know why it doesn't work on the Fennec, but yeah. And yeah, you can just put some color you want. You can also reset the rim if you want. Sorry for the jump cut, I had to reload my game. But yeah, for the profile tab, you can unlock the rocket pass and set like the tier and the multiplier. It's gonna just reload the main menu. You can see, yeah, you have all the shit. And obviously you can also change your username if you want. like this. It's gonna show in game as well. Anyways, for the ranked tab, as you can see right now, I'm Champ 1 Div 3, 1150 MMR, and I'm gonna change that real quick. Yeah, so you can just select whatever rank you want, the MMR, the division, and the rank level, and just put that. I'm gonna put like Grand Champ 2k MMR, and now you just have to set it, and it's gonna be here. And then you can just reset your rank if you need to. And in this recording, I'm just gonna start the game like a dumbass, but yeah, as you can see, it's reset. You can also change your rank for casual, but just be careful, because in Rocket League, as you can see, all the MMRs are the same for like all the casual game modes. So if you change for one, it's gonna change for every one of them. It's not our fault, it's just Rocket League way to manage MMR, I guess. But yeah, anyways, you can also change your season rewards if you want. Just set the rank you want and the number of win you had in the season. Then you can just reset. Anyways, now I'm gonna show you the in-game stuff. So I just reloaded my game. It's normal if I changed my username. Don't mind it. It's normal, don't worry about it. Anyways, yeah, the match is launching and you're gonna see what I said before was correct. I forgot to uncheck the in-game titles, so I'm gonna have my normal titles, so I'm just gonna change it real quick. But yeah, as you can see on the screen, my RGB rim and shit are working. The weird ass wheels are working, and my username as well. And yeah, look how I'm figuring out how I'm retarded. You can even change the color of your title while in game. Yeah, so going back to the map changer, as you can see, you can just choose a map, then set the map. As you can probably see, it's kind of buggy. Every time you take a boost, for example, it's gonna like be shown as not taken, even though it's already taken. So I wouldn't recommend using that in ranked. So yeah, back to the lobby. As you can see, I have my RGB shit, but whatever. The hacks tab. It's not implemented in this version, but you can just watch older showcases. I think RFS already showed it. But yeah, for the lobby changer, you can see we can change your position to be higher in the sky, and you can just reset. Then you can change the lobby map if you want. It does a little fade, but right now I chose the void one, so I'm just gonna put a normal one, and as you can see, it works fine. You can also spawn trophies. It was supposed to not have a delete button, but we figured out it was just gonna be annoying. It was supposed to be a troll feature, but yeah. You can also go in other custom lobbies like this. Looks very cool. And there you can have like that little pedestal, and you can just reset. And you can add split screen players and obviously remove them. There's also custom models that you can create. There's all type of them. I'm gonna show you all these types. Now the settings tab. You can, like me for the showcase, I disable the warnings, but it just tells you every time there's like a performance hit, as you can see here, there just gives you warning that you can just disable after. You can also save your settings, but the settings are for now not for the titles and everything. It's only for the settings, so for your themes and your notification thing. So I'm gonna show you all the themes right now. So yeah, the default one is MIKU blue. And like I said before, you can change the speed of the RGB. And yeah, there's also a plugin tab, but I think I'm gonna make a separate video just to showcase this when it's gonna be done. Because right now it's kind of, there's not a really good amount of features in the plugins tab, but when it's gonna be finished, it's gonna be insane. So you can join the Discord to have use whenever it's done. So thank you for watching the video. As I said just before, the link of the Discord is in the description. MIKU client is not available for purchase at the moment, but it's gonna be soon. And right now we're just testing to make sure the product is as finished as possible when it's gonna come out. But yeah, see you in a next showcase.